everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today I'm actually planning to do an upcycling project from one of the water bottles, and that's one of the things that I always enjoy doing it because it makes me feel good that I'm not throwing plastic into the environment. So these are the plastic water bottles. So I've already done, for an example, this is the top part of the bottle. I converted that into a flower and I painted all the possible colors of the rainbow that you can think of. You can do any color. I painted red and yellow on this is the cap of the bottle, if you can see. And I'm also going to use this bottom part for another project. And again, I'm going to show how I did that. And this is a very simple project. You don't have to buy anything. And these are the used water bottles and then some of the paints that you're having in your craft room. That's all you need. And then paintbrush. So basically you're converting your water bottle into one part into a flower, another part into an organizational stuff. So these are the things that I need, and I'm going to do the initial preparation and I'll be back. Welcome back, you guys. This is the final result of my plastic bottles upcycle project. So let me start with this trellis, and this is the top of our plastic bottle. I converted that into flowers and I painted with all the colors that you can think of, and I painted the caps just to show the center of the flower. And I got this trellis from Dollar Tree and I decorated the trellis like that. And these are supposed to be the buds. Yeah. So yeah, this is how I'm going to decorate in my front porch. So yeah, I'm very happy about this. Let me know your thoughts on this. So this is the top part of our plastic water bottle, and the bottom part of the bottle I used as like one of the organizational stuff. So this is my old pasta pot, and this is one of the hand towel that I used. So this has got like fall print to it, so I thought like, you know, I'll cover this part with this old towel. And so the bottom part of the bottle I stuffed into this container, and I'm going to use this in organizational stuff. So I'm going to stuff some of the pencils, paintbrushes and things like that. So yeah, I'm very happy how they turned out. So let me know your thoughts on this. So yeah, this is something that it could have gone into trash, so I made something useful of it. So I'm very happy how they turned out. So let me know your thoughts on this, and which one is your favorite, and you have any suggestions that you want to throw, please leave it in my comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing, and please click on the bell icon for me for the notifications. And yeah, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you next time.